So, this is a moment of truth. My candle has been burning for about 4 hours, and I went to go see, and you can see the ring is right there. I'm so excited. Woohoo! We can see the foil. So, let's see. We're going to take it out. Wish me luck, guys. I'm hoping for a really nice one. Well, from what I've seen, they're often really nice, fake or real. So, here we go. Let's see how this works. I'm going to try and scoop it up with, it's right here, so I'm going to scoop it up.
What's inside?
It's a ring, Poppy.
A ring.
Yeah, let's take the wick out.
We did it.
Looks like a really big one.
It's like a really big one.
Oh, I'm so excited. It's killing me.
It's so exciting.
The anticipation was awesome.
I'm so excited.
You're excited? Mommy's real excited too.
Wow.
Actually, it's not really a big one. It looked big at first. Hold on. You want to open it for me?
Yes.
Hold on. Let me get all the gunky off. Looks like a really super nice ring from what...
A small little ring. It's a small ring.
Okay, let's see.
I want to open it.
Okay, you're going to get gunky all over you. See, I told you, got gunky all over you, right?
Yeah.
Told you.
Have to wash it?
Yeah, I have to wash it off.
Oh,
But 4 hours, it was totally worth it. So excited. Why? It's hard to get the little foil out. Especially with one hand. Yeah, it looks like a silver one.
It looks like a small ring. Looks like a small ring.
Silver ring.
Small.
With a
Wow.
canary. Oh. Hold on, Papa.
I'm gonna get them.
Wait.
I want to do it. I want to do it.
How are you going to open it? It's all gunky, Poppy.
Oh, Puppy, Mommy. Puppy. I'm not get them. Give me.
Wait. It's all gunky. Wait, don't touch. This is nasty. Come on, you're making it hard for me to do this. And voila, here's my ring.
Oh,
It is stunning.
no, that's my small
Absolutely
ring.
stunning.
That's my
Wait,
small ring.
hold on. Beautiful. Thank you, Diamond Candle, for this wonderful experience. And here's my ring that I got out of my Diamond Candle candle. Thank you and good luck, everyone.
Oh, that's